Before you buy any computer right now, you need to hear this. Because what I'm about to show you, what's happening inside Apple's secret labs, is going to fundamentally change the way you think about desktop computing. We're not just getting a new Mac Mini. We are witnessing the birth of the machine that will finally replace your tower PC. This isn't an upgrade. This is an evolutionary leap. For years, the Mac Mini has been the quiet achiever, the reliable workhorse. But it's been held back. Held back by thermal limits, by component size, by a chip architecture that was always playing catch-up. Now, with the M4 generation barely off the assembly line, the leaks surrounding the Mac Mini M5 are painting a picture that should genuinely terrify the competition. The M5 isn't just faster, it's smarter. It's fundamentally redesigned to be the centerpiece of the future home office, the ultimate creator station, and frankly, the biggest threat to Intel and AMD we have ever seen. If you're a creative professional, a developer, a high-end gamer, or just someone who demands absolute silence with uncompromising power, listen carefully. The waiting game is almost over. And trust me, it's worth the agony. Decoding the M5 chip, the performance revolution. Let's get straight to the beating heart of this monster. The M5 silicon. Forget the M4's incremental gains. The M5 is rumored to be built on an enhanced 2nm process. You heard that right. This isn't just shrinking the die. This is fundamentally changing the physics of the chip. What does that mean for you? First, the neural engine. The M5 is reportedly tripling the performance of the M4's AI cores. This is no longer a gimmick. This is the key to your workflow. Imagine real-time, on-device AI upscaling of 4K footage to 8K. Instantaneous code compilation that utilizes smart prediction. Running truly complex LLMs locally, right on your desktop, without touching the cloud. This changes content creation forever. Second, the unified memory. We're seeing leaks suggesting configurations pushing well beyond 64 GB, potentially hitting 96 GB in the Mac Mini M5 Pro variant. But it's not just the size, it's the speed. Apple is rumored to be incorporating a radically new memory controller, eliminating bottlenecks that even the most expensive PC builds currently struggle with. This is the secret sauce for video editors and 3D artists. No more waiting for texture loading. No more render slowdowns. And finally, the GPU. This is where Apple has historically lagged. But the M5 is rumored to feature an entirely redesigned architecture focused on true hardware ray tracing acceleration. This isn't software trickery. This is raw, dedicated graphics power. Could the Mac Mini M5 finally be the ultimate, silent, high refresh rate gaming machine? The leaks say yes. The design and connectivity overhaul, external secrets. Power is useless if the system chokes. The current Mac Mini design, while iconic, is reaching its thermal limit. Leaks suggest the Mac Mini M5 will feature a slight, yet crucial, increase in chassis height. Don't panic, it's not bulky. This subtle change allows for a radically re-engineered vapor chamber cooling system. A system designed to run the 2nm M5 chip at peak performance indefinitely without throttling. The result? A desktop that is literally whispering